Kazakhstan. Take me around Almaty, Almaty, Kazakhstan. Going around Kazakhstan. Take me around Almaty, Almaty, Kazakhstan. Going around Almaty, around and round and round, all around Almaty. Kazakhstan, take me around Almaty, Almaty, Kazakhstan.
Okay, in this video there's some kind of cool alleys right in here with some nice artwork, more artwork here. My hotel is right there, and then we're kind of in between some tall buildings, so we're going to be going, we'll show you these, and we're going to go down this way and then down this way. And this kind of gives you an idea what some of the alleys look like. So stay tuned for that. Downtown Almaty. I got my hat, my little tourist hat, but actually people wear this in Kashgar, China, right across from Kazakhstan in Central Asia. Anyways, this one is going to be the Almaty's pedestrian street, and we're going to take a look at it. And we're going to take you there as if you're there yourself. So then come on, let's go check it out. Another site of Almaty, Kazakhstan, for you, as if you're there yourself. Okay, so we're going to check out some of these artwork ones here, and also on this side too. Go down this way, check these out. And then there's a little academy here and a yoga place not too far from here as well. Catch some of this artwork. Oh yeah, that's actually the yoga one right there. And yeah, this is actually, I think, a coffee shop. More artwork on that side too. And then if we go down that way, we'll go right into the street. So we're actually going to go down this way. Then we're going to go down this way, and then this way, and down that way. So we kind of get a feel. So there are stuff going on in the alleys. So let me okay. So we're gonna continue down that way. So yeah, some shops. So there's a lot of different things. It's kind of cool. Cosplay. So even in the alleys, there's different shops as well. There's another coffee shop. So this will give you another element of Almaty as well. Let me just kind of capture this thing right here. There we go. So another food place. So yeah, the alleys have quite a bit. And then this street is kind of a walking street, and you'll see some musicians up and down the street as well. I saw some last night. So we'll get a feel for, so I think the musicians were straight ahead, and we're going to get to this one kind of bigger walking street as well. But those kind of give you an idea of what's around here. We'll just kind of see here. So we're going directly down that way. I don't know what this is. There's more restaurants on that side too. There's CU, which I think is like Korean. There's some Korean stuff in that place. So we're gonna walk all the way down. And so right in the middle, there's lots of places to sit, lots of chairs, lots of trees. And then you got restaurants on one side. You have some cars that can go through and park as well. So I feel like it's kind of people-centric and car-centric at the same time. Then you got bikes and scooters too, so there's a lot of scooters that you can rent. So you'll see people going down the street with those. And I think this right here is a train station. So yeah, this is Zibek Zoli. So that's a train station right there. You can buy drinks right here. I don't know if they come out in a bottle or plastic. And if we want to get across, we have to touch that. Then it'll give us 22 seconds. So we're going to keep on going down that way and then go down this main street in a moment. Then yeah, this is a train station. And most of the roads are quite wide like this, but then you'll get these tall buildings everywhere. So those would be like 6-8 stories. And we kind of walk. We'll go across. So that's just enough to get to walk past that. Kazakh, I think that's a bank. Okay, so we're gonna keep on walking down. See what that's all around in here. I think this one is lemon tea coffee shop-ish. Yeah, and then these are, so inside all these blocks there's always like more stuff. Okay. Let's see what else we got in the flower shop. I think they'll play music here. Not just recorded music, but they'll play live music. So we're gonna keep on moving on. There's a bubble tea right here. Bubble tea, My Mart. Let's see what else we got here. Glow. Don't know, Glow is a hair salon. Okay. So Arbat is the name of this area. So Arbat is what they call this area. Okay. And then there's more, so you can go into all these areas too. Lots of places to sit. So yeah, like when you go into those, like the blocks seem kind of wide, but then they're wide for walking. But then you can also go on the other side of these buildings. So these buildings will have like a courtyard in the middle. As far as I can tell, that's what my observation is so far. So we're gonna keep on walking all the way down. Then we get to this main street in a minute. So you get a taste of Almaty, which is the largest city in Kazakhstan. But it's not the capital. The capital is Astana, which is relatively new. So once we get up here, we're gonna get a lot more people. And it's, I think it's Friday evening right now. And we'll get some live music and some performers around here as well. And up here you even got like some kind of cool looking mannequin thing. Okay. Then we're gonna come out to the main street up here. You can get a feel for this whole area. And then this, if you go all the way down, you can go all the way down to a green market down that way. Play area. Lots of people walking around. And then this would be more the better direction to go because there's more people. So we walk down this way because there's more people, so we can get a better feel for. I think they're called like Arbat. I think this is Arbat. Got another sign here, walking street. So walk down a little bit further. And I have some live music out here as well, but it's a little bit early still right now. for live music. Apparently. Don't know if it's too early or not, but I don't hear any. But actually I was out here earlier this morning and there was some music, so okay. So anyways, and you got some tall apartments to the right that overlook. That's kind of everywhere in Almaty. Okay. I think we're gonna come to an ending in a moment. And there's actually a mall up that way. So there's a mall with I think like Starbucks and Wendy's and KFC, some Western food. Haven't really gone in there. I went in there, but I didn't really. I think we'll bring the camera in real quick. I've heard that Twix is very popular, so there's a Twix advertising sign. There's a Miniso over there, so there are some restaurants over here. Ivy, Japanese, and a market. So maybe we'll just keep walking down. Give you an idea of what Almaty looks like on a Friday evening. It's about 5 p.m. so it's a little bit still early, I think. But it's nice. Twix is everywhere. I was watching a YouTuber and they were talking about Twix, and it was like everywhere here apparently. I think I saw it in the stores too. Let me see. I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna go. There's definitely a lot of people here. We'll go down this way towards the mall. So let me just see here. So this is the, I think there's a larger mall, but I don't know. But yeah, now you can see some of the restaurants. There's Wendy's, KFC, and Starbucks. So let's just kind of go in. Let's see. And if we go in, we have there's a KFC here. There's a Wendy's. I don't know if I can film in here or not, but we'll come down anyways and take a look. And then there's Wendy's right here. So there's a Wendy's restaurant. And then you got some marketplace stuff too. So maybe we'll walk back out again. So yeah, this is a kind of a mall with some fast food here. And we will walk down this way. And then we'll walk down to the main street up here, the main road. And then we'll kind of get an idea. So you got to see a little bit of that mall. Can't film in there, so we won't do that. But we will kind of show you what's around here. But yeah, pretty cool. So you get a taste of Almaty anyways. Big walking street. And we'll just go all the way down to the end, and then we'll end the video. I think I hear singing. Oh, okay. Drop some coins in here. Actually, she was out here earlier too. Let's kind of come over this side. So pretty cool. So I guess we'll end the video right there.
Take me around Almaty, Almaty. Kazakhstan.